we're seeing a difference in a lot of real estate markets here when it comes to new construction. This is a big one because these people didn't want to work with us for the last 2 years. No matter where you're at in the country, you had some new construction companies that were like, nope, we're not paying fees anymore. We're not paying realtors. We'll pay you $1,000 or we'll pay you 1%. They are coming out of the woodwork now, not only paying regular commissions, but paying bonuses. So that's a big benefit for us. They are also doing adjustable rate mortgages again. So we're starting to see that. So no matter where you're at in the market, that is the case. I did see on CNBC last night, I wrote it down here, new build permits were down 7% month over month for the month of May. That's not 7% in a year. That's 7% in 1 month. They're on track for the month of June to be down another 13%, meaning we have an issue with inventory. New construction build permits are down 20% approximately over a 60-day period. So we're going to see a screeching halt. Not something to worry about. You just need to adjust.
Hey, we've got a lot more for you in store to help you in growing your real estate business. What I want you to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel here. Now, it's totally free. If you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up free of charge. I want you to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to show you how you can get closings on a monthly basis, how to attract more buyers, how to attract more sellers, what you can do with totally free marketing to grow your real estate business. We're loading new videos all the time, so I want you to do a couple of things. Number one, subscribe to the channel here. Secondly, I want you to ring the bell. That's going to notify you every time we post a new training video to help you in growing your real estate business. It's important for you to grow and learn from today's real estate market. This is going to show you exactly what to do so you can start attracting more business immediately. Now, most importantly, I want you to look at the description below here. You'll see some information and a link that can help you to start getting more closings today. I want you to check it out right now. Check in the description and go to that link. That's going to help you in growing your business and attracting more clients as quickly as possible. We'll see you soon.